Hello everyone, SOS Fix here. We received this package from a customer online. This customer is already took the phone part. I think it's a repair shop. This is a iPhone XR. Yeah, this is an iPhone XR screen. So screws here. Yeah, there is a little scratch on the screen, but there is no crack. And this is iPhone XR, so no crack in the back. I see there is a hole in the battery, maybe when they were trying to take it apart, and I see like a coffee or mark, so maybe this is a water damage. So from what they said about this phone is no power, won't turn on or nothing. So we're gonna check this one. Right. And we have an iPad. Model number is a a1822. No crack on the screen, still in a good shape. And I think they are asking, they are asking for to replace the charging port. So I don't have this charging port in stock, so I'm gonna wait for it. So it should be here like by tomorrow or next day. I already ordered them, and I'm gonna fix it and ship it. So this is the motherboard for the iPad Fidget. So I just say plug it to the charge. There is nothing going. So when the battery is not connected, it should be like 0 amp. Then it's go to like 100 milliamp or 80 milliamp. Then it's go to 0. But if I wiggle this one, you can see now 130, then go down. Yeah, just when I wiggle it. So the problem here in the charging port. So I do have the replacement charging port. I'm gonna remove this one, and we're gonna solder this one. Yeah, the battery is not connected, and we can see here the amps is go 90 amp. Let's go 130. Yep, this is normal because the battery is not connected. Yeah, the iPad is charging, so it's taking about 1.5 amp. So let's wiggle the I'm wiggling it, and look like it's still charging, so that's good. Yeah, the iPad just turns on, and these are 1%. I'm gonna wait for the adhesive to dry before I clean the edge of the screen from that extra glue. So the iPad is charging. It's at 45%, and still going fine. And I'm gonna clean it and get it ready to ship it back to the customer. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you next one.